Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to make chicken for chicken salad. Starting with the right chicken is key to a delicious salad. Opt for boneless, skinless chicken breasts or thighs, as they are easy to prepare and shred. Freshness is paramount, so select high-quality chicken from a reputable source. You might also consider organic or free-range options for a richer flavor profile. This initial step sets the foundation for a truly delightful chicken salad experience. There are several excellent ways to cook your chicken for salad, each offering a unique texture and flavor. Poaching is fantastic for incredibly tender, moist chicken that shreds beautifully. If you prefer a richer taste, roasting your chicken at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for about 20 to 25 minutes will develop a lovely savory depth. For a smoky note, grilling provides a wonderful char and distinct flavor that elevates your salad. Once your chicken is cooked, it's time to prepare it for the salad. Before cooking, always season your chicken generously with salt, black pepper, and any desired herbs like thyme or rosemary. After cooking, let the chicken rest for about 5 to 10 minutes to retain its juices. Then, using 2 forks or even your hands, shred the chicken into bite-sized pieces. Aim for a consistent texture, not too fine, not too chunky, for the best salad experience. The final steps ensure your chicken is ready for a safe and delicious salad. It's crucial to cool your cooked chicken completely before combining it with other ingredients. This prevents your salad from becoming warm and helps maintain its freshness. Once cooled, refrigerate the chicken promptly in an airtight container. Properly stored, your prepared chicken will stay fresh for up to 3 days, ready for your perfect chicken salad creation.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.